GreenGeeks hosting honest review. Watch before using. Most people get web hosting wrong. They think all providers are the same. The surprising truth about GreenGeeks hosting is how it combines eco-friendly practices with reliable performance, and you won't believe how much impact it has on both websites and the environment. Here's how it works. GreenGeeks offers shared VPS and WordPress hosting powered by renewable energy. Each plan includes SSD storage, free SSL, daily backups, and 24/7 support. For example, a blogger or small business can host a WordPress site that loads quickly, is secure, and has minimal downtime. Most people get this wrong. They assume green hosting sacrifices performance, but GreenGeeks matches or exceeds traditional hosting speed and uptime. Additional features include one-click app installations, automated updates, and scalable plans. GreenGeeks also offsets carbon usage, making it ideal for environmentally conscious businesses. However, there are considerations. Pricing can be slightly higher than basic hosts, and advanced features like VPS or dedicated servers require more technical knowledge. Most people assume green hosting is slower. It's not. It's both fast and sustainable. In conclusion, GreenGeeks hosting is ideal for individuals and businesses seeking reliable, fast, and environmentally responsible web hosting. It balances performance, security, and sustainability. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of hosting and web services.